My friend Brian's come today, come to see us in his Volkswagen van that we did some years ago. And most of you have seen this on the header of the page. Because as a little tribute for me wet flatting and polishing it, he kindly put this advertisement on his van. I never twisted his arm or anything, but it's one that we rebuilt. It's looking a bit worse for wear now, but you know, it's still a good looking van as long as you squint a little bit. But it's our local Father Christmas, Mr. Brian Baxter. Yo ho ho! We've also got a car from Peter today. His daughter's car's coming to have a bit of a clean up, spa day. Come valet, come leather clean. And you can see I've done this one side, and that side's still to be done. But a bit worse for wear. Makeup over everything and bit of the odd bird poo. So we're going to give this a spa day today. A few added extras. Pete does send me a lot of work, so you know, got to make it nice for him. But it'll look nice later. It's like makeup. One thing about getting these when they're really dirty is you can't fail to make them look better. So in some ways it's you could say it's an easier job, but none of them are easy. They all take hard graft. So I'm going to get on with it, and we'll have a look at it later when it's done. Right, I've now finished the Mini. This has had quite an extensive interior clean, more so than the bodywork, but so it's a bit cleaner than it was this morning. So should be a nice pleasant surprise for Peter's daughter. This has had the usual things you see on a spa day, plus the leather clean. And it looks nice. So that's the complete job. Now I've been removing the PPF from the Aston Martin and cleaning that up, ready to have that replaced. I'm going to do the whole car. I've spent some time cleaning the glass properly, and it's coming up quite well. I've got the headlights to do. Well, I'm going to do, really, I'll clean the whole car, polish it up a bit. But this afternoon, with what time I've got left, I'm now flatting the primer down on Pete's Porsche, and hopefully it'll go in the booth tomorrow and have some paint and lacquer put back on it, so next week I can get it finished. So that's what I'm going to be on this afternoon, getting this nice and flat. Get the lads at the body shop to check it for me, make sure that it's okay. I'll do body work, but not to the sort of expertise that the lads do, because I don't do it every day like I used to, so you know, it's handy having them. So that's what I'm going to be doing. So there we have it. Another day at the devil's in the detail. Oh yeah, just finished the preparation for the wing repair. It's looking good. So tomorrow it'll go in to get painted. So that's all prepped. I'll get it out in the morning, get it round the body shop, and we'll be away. So there we have it. A bit more done today. Quite pleased. No reactions or anything, and the repair looks flat. I mean, considering you could have threw a £5 note on the damage, the reaction, you know, a £5 note would have covered it and give you change, but we've had to really go out, feather out to about here to there, all around there, and then build it up. 6 coats of primer, and obviously there was 4 coats of paint that we went through feathering it, so it's quite a big step. So we built it up with the primer, and then it's been blocked. We've just blocked it all and flatted it so that when the paint goes on, hopefully I won't have to do a lot of flatting to get the required finish. So there we are. Repair. It just goes to show that if you have a little dink or something, how far out you have to go. You know, it covers quite a large area. You know, by the time that you've carried out the repair, you know, for something that's the size of a 50p piece, you know, you're probably going to end up that big. So, and this is why, you know, you can't put just the colour on and lacquer just that. The colour can just be put on and cover the repair, but the lacquer has to cover the whole panel and be blended into the sill. So that'll be blended. This will all be scotch brighted when it's in the paint shop to key the lacquer. I'll try and show it being done if I get time to go and film it. Anyway, that about concludes today's work. So I'll see you on the next one.